Hi and thanks for visiting on this video, because today I'm gonna reviewing something special for you, which is Apple Airtag. I'm gonna share with you my couple of weeks using this one, and today I'm going to share with you if it's worth it or no to invest with this little tag. So if you are interested, just stay with me and let me show you. And please remember that on this channel you can learn more about specific product before you buy. So don't forget about this channel and click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much. So definitely in the future I will help you again. I want to tell you that this is Airtag. It's very small, it looks like that, and I definitely gonna to tell you that it's very light, like you will hold a little battery in your hands, that you're gonna feel it. If you have this one, you can hold this definitely in 2 fingers, and on the side you have battery, on this side you have white, or if you order on our Apple side you can choose any image, logo, letters. You can draw what you want and they will print for you. Regarding the setup, if you remove this plastic, then automatically you unblock battery because it's covered in the battery and will start working. The signal gonna be sent to your iPhone. You can install this little Airtag. Once you installing, they will show you the instruction what you want. Put name, what is the name of this Airtag, like for example my wallet or my keys, and you can also add to kind of category like keys, wallet, bag, that iPhone will categorize what is what and what is the name of this Airtag. What is cool about this one, when you go to find my and you name the keys my home keys, but also you will see your, of course, localization, where is the keys. If it's with you, they will say you that is with you. And very important is that they're showing you battery status. You will know it, so you will not lose hope that the battery will be gone on the moment when you will lose your item, right? This is very cool and very smart that Apple thinking about this one. Apple give you the choice. You can buy 1 or you can buy 4. Well, 1 you can use for keys, you can use for bag, but 4 you can use for every of this, right? Mostly people will need 2, but Apple don't give it these options, and that's why you can buy for £30 1, or for £100, which will cost you like £25, will cost you 4. Totally is 99. Okay guys, there were savings, but still you need to spend for 4 or for 1. I use it for 1 I still not using. 1 is in my gym bag, 1 is in my wallet, because wallet is very easy to lose, and 1 is with my keys. And regarding wallet, guys, it's kind of difficult because the shape of this one isn't no good. Okay, this is too big. Okay, when you put it to your wallet and you're holding your wallet, you will feel this, that something is inside. And the question is it good or no? Of course, every one of us using different kind of wallets. For my example, I put cards, I not use that much cash, so it's more difficult because the plastic from the cards blocking the, Airtag. So I put inside there is that really space in my wallet in the middle that I can put, so I just put there very deep that I will not lose this one, because I don't want to searching for Airtag. If I will use wallet, that's gonna be work. And of course, if someone will find this wallet, will be first interesting about my cards, where they don't care about this wallet at all. What we can do in this case, we can go to locations, we can send kind of signal. You're going just basically to find you choose your what is it, my wallet, and I play signal. Do you hear? It's not super loud, okay, but if your wallet is missing around you, like at home, it's very easy to find where is it. if this is party, club or bar, wherever you go, when it's very loud, you can use find, and then definitely will locate you, will navigate you where to go and where is your wallet. If someone steals your wallet, in the phone you have lost mode. I don't know that you can see, you can check on your phone, is the lost mode, and the lost mode will block your AirTags, and you can put your message and you can put your number. So if someone is as well user of iPhone will scan this, because it's option to scan the AirTags, they will let you know. And when I'm talking about this one, it sounds like mission impossible for me right now, that if some of us will find someone wallet, will be caring more about AirTags and the owner than about the rest what is in the wallet. They want us that we will scan, we will find who is the owner, and we will contact with them and give him back. But from the user, the loser, what you can do is you can definitely find in your phone where it's located. You can go there and you can try to find. If this were someone took to the home, and if this is like a lot of flats in the building, I'm just wanna tell you that AirTag not gonna locate it. What flat number is it? They will tell you this address like approximately, okay, this building definitely. But where is it is good luck if you will find out. Maybe after updates will be something more, but when I leave it my bag at my home and I've been going to the city, I open the app, just I'm wondering how they will show me where is my bag. They definitely told me that is on another side of my home, totally opposite side of my home. So I just wondering, okay, my bag when I'm leaving the home is moving, is going to neighbor, or what's my bag really doing when I'm not at home? Interesting. But the truth is that the navigation GPS is like that, it's not always 100% accurate to the location when it's your item. And like I told you, this channel is to learn more about specific product before you buy. So please click subscribe now, because I want to give you more information like this one. And thank you very much. So I already explained to you how it works with the bag or wallet, what you can expect from it. But now I just want to tell you, when you're using this for keys, AirTag, Apple Airtag is as well good for keys. I think so it's the best for keys. Many of us don't know where the keys are located at home. Of course, you can lose it as well by accident. Now I feel more safe, and wherever I will put the keys, I will know that this is located. You can very easy way find at home. Once again, you can use the signal, or you can click that you want to find. They will navigate you where it's located, what side, and how many meters or steps is around you. So you will find a new place 100%. What about if you will put this to the keys and go somewhere? So first of all, you need something for this one that will stick to the keys. And Apple design special iCal covers, but I want to just to let you know are very expensive. Better to go just normal site like Amazon or eBay and just find there much cheaper. I find for a few pounds, like this one. It's kind of black leather. It's fake leather, of course, but it's very strong and very good. And now what you have here, you put it inside. So it's like you're just pushing, okay, back, push there, guys, and you just lock it like this. And that's it. It's already with the keys, okay? And now I definitely know where my keys are located. And if you stay and watch me, I'm gonna advise you if it's worth it or not to buy. And I'm just wanted to tell you that of course definitely is worth it. It's not super pricey. If you will buy the 4, it's really cheap. And it's really help a lot. I just know that if something happens, I will find out that I don't have wallet in my pocket anymore. I will very fast locate it, where is it, and who is going somewhere with them, because I will see the location that is in the place when I've been, or maybe it's already out of grocery, let's say, yeah? So I will know that someone own my wallet, and definitely will help me to find. Totally, I recommend it, I use it, and I'm really happy. So if you not yet buy, I put you a link in the description. There you have links straight away to the Apple. I recommend you to buy on Apple sites in your country, and you can extra design like me. I'm put here heart. Okay, you can put wherever you want. You can put your letters, your name. There's three or four letters Apple. Okay, so you can printing something very unique for you. I hope that I helped you today. If yes, please click like, subscribe my channel. I really appreciate it, and see you in next video. Soon will come videos. If you like it, watch another one. Maybe you need more information today. If not, next week I will prepare special for you. Definitely another video. Comment below if you have questions, and see you in next video next week, guys. Ciao. And let me know if you already bought this AirTag. Cheers.